Hi, kamusta?
Ay, kamusta po?
How was the competition?
So far, it's really stressful but very fulfilling.
How did you feel after it?
And now, super happy kasi tapos na rin and may isa pang laban. So,
Yeah, so trending ka tonight kasi you're one of the favorites to win.
thank you.
Hindi ka nahirapan tonight.
Nung una nahirapan ako. Siyempre, this is my first national pageant. So, you know, the nerves is still there. I actually, sabi nga nila, mabilis ako masyadong maglakad. So, I'll improve everything. During Grand Coronation. That's for sure.
Message to your family supporters.
Hi guys, again, please support me. I'm Lloyd Garcia from Manila, and for this upcoming Grand Coronation Night on July 20 in Novotel, Manila.
Alright, thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again, everyone. The front runners. Hello, everyone.
Let's go! Miss namin kayo.
Yeah, the front runners of Mr. International Philippines. How does it feel to be called as a front runner?
It feels amazing. It's so good to be here, and yes, we can't wait to show you guys what we got sa Coronation Night.
So, speaking about Coronation Night, ano pang ilalabas mo sa Coronation Night?
Yes, expect a lot more fun and a lot more colors and especially more elegance and eloquence. That's for the Q&A and the formal wear.
Do you think na apat na to ang top 2 last man standing? Parang yun ang tingin ng aming mga mata. But do you think nandito sa apat na ito?
Yes, andito. I think andito kasi I think we all deserve that. But I think we are the if you think we are the front runners and because we think it's this is my journey, so it's like it's myself, me and myself versus myself. That's it.
Aside from that charming face of you, paano feeling mo matatapol down ang tatlong ito and you're gonna get the Mr. International crown?
Ang hirap ng tanong sa akin. But probably, I think what makes me distinct to everyone is really my primary reason why I joined, which is my purpose. And secondary is just the crown. As long as I have the avenue to really share my experience and my story and to help people and to be an inspiration to others, I think that's my only reason why I'm here.
In just one word, why do you think you should be the Mr. International Philippines 2025? One word.
Passion.
Pakikisama.
Discipline.
Purpose.
Okay, congratulations in advance to every one of you. And I hope you're gonna get the crown. Thank you. One of you will gonna get the crown. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lars, ikaw naman. Ganon. Lord, dapat ikaw meron din.
Go na, Lord! Thank you.
Hello. How do you feel about winning tonight's special award?
I feel exhilarated. It's my passion to be here. I'm filled with purpose. And guys, stay tuned kasi we have more pasabog para sa inyo sa Coronation Night.
How do you feel about your performance tonight?
I think I did my best, and I know my confidence will go higher para sa Coronation Night. So stay tuned. This is only the beginning. Abangan nyo ang pinakapasabog namin.
Yeah, invite them to watch you sa finals night.
Guys, abangan nyo kami sa Novotel Manila. Ito guys, located to sa Araneta. This July 20, 6 p.m. yung ating open gates. So please come, invite your friends, family. It's gonna be a good time. Love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening. Kamusta ang performance tonight?
Hi everyone, it was okay, it was fun and kind of exhausting, but it's fun.
It's fine. How do you feel about your performance? Do you feel good? Do you feel happy with how things went tonight?
Well, I'm very happy with my performance, also with my teammates and co-candidates. It's so satisfactory.
That's what can we look forward to sa performance mo sa finals?
Well, sa finals, siguro mas hotter and more heat.
Okay. Invite them to watch you sa finals.
Well, guys, I invite you to watch the finals on July 20 at Novotel, Cubao City. See you there.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
July 20 in Coronation Night at Mr. International Philippines. Please support me sa
Kamusta? Performance
I'm
mo?
good and yon excited and hindi namin iniisip na magkakalaban kami dito. We are family and yon masaya yung naging event.
What was your favorite segment kanina?
Favorite segment ko is yung naka-swimwear. Yeah.
Ala ko swimwear.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na shortswear.
Yeah, what?
Hindi mo na shortswear. Yung swimwear.
Swimwear. Yeah.
Okay, sige.
Okay siya kahit
Tapos
paano.
kayo naman kayo nung naglalakad ka. Kasi na-feel namin na it was very confident.
Yes, kasi kung ano ka at kung sino ka, be confident lang. Basta masaya ka sa ginagawa mo at wala kang tinatapakang tao. Yes.
Kailan ang finals night?
Sa July 20 guys, please support me on July 20 at Novotel. And yun, kita-kits tayo doon guys. See you there.
And where can they follow you?
And follow nyo ako sa FB and IG guys. Same lang yun, Ron J. Cruz. Alright.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sal, Julius. Hi, how are you?
I am doing great finally. Yes. So well, the preliminary competition is, very hot. I'm pretty sure that you guys enjoyed the show. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for supporting us, the Mr. International Philippines candidates. And of course, thank you so much to my fellow Rizaleños, to my families, to my friends for supporting me on my journey. And I hope that you guys support me on the Grand Coronation Night that will happen on July 20 at Novotel Araneta, Cubao.
How do you feel about your performance tonight?
Well, to be honest, I really did my best, so I believe it was, it will definitely give a good impression, especially to the judges, and also to the people who's watching me. So yeah, I think I gave my 100% all there.
And where can they follow you? Invite them pala to watch the finals night.
Yes, the finals night will happen on July 20 at Novotel Araneta, Cubao. So I'll see you guys there. It will start at 7 p.m. So you can actually purchase the ticket on the Mr. International Philippines page. So I'll see you guys there. We still have available seats, guys. Come on.
Alright, thank you. How do you feel about your performance tonight?
Well, I think I did good, no? I did better last time, no? And I believe, sana makakuha din akong award next time. Medyo nalulungkot kasi ako eh.
Talaga?
joke lang.
Hindi, malay mo the crowd.
Oo nga, malay natin next time.
When is the coronation night?
This coming July 20, no? Sa Novotel Manila pala siya, Araneta City, no? So sa mga gustong mag-avail ng ticket dyan, kindly DM me.
Oh, DM.
Or, kung gusto nyo, ibigay nyo na lang sa akin yung pera. Ay, joke lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Where can they
I-email.
DM you?
Okay. Sa IG, sa Facebook, no?
What's
Yung
your
Facebook,
IG and Facebook?
yung Facebook ko kasi dalawa, may page siya sa
Yeah.
sa Real FB. So yung sa page, di ka marereplyan kasi busy eh. So sa IG na lang talaga. No?
Okay.
So yun, DM nyo ako, tapos send ko sa inyo yung link. Siyempre ilalagay nyo yung code ng MetroCard para makahabol tayo sa fast track.
Invited to vote for you as
So,
well.
ayun, no? Huwag nyo kakalimutan iboto.
Well-deserved yung boto, di ba?
Oo naman. Hindi ko kayo bibiguin, promise yan.
Yes, he's very deserving of the vote.
Oo naman.
He's also a pageant veteran, no? Di ba?
Totoo ba yan?
Hindi na natin alam yung Metro Clark.
Yes. Alam nyo ba yung Metro Clark?
Oo. Ano ba yung Metro Clark?
Metro Clark is an Freeport zone yan. Dati tawag siya na Clark Air Base, no? So tapos northern part yan ng Pampanga, tapos 2 municipalities galing sa Tarlac, Bamban, and Capas, no? Tapos yung urban areas niya, tawag sa kanila Kabalenan or main cities, no? Tapos Metro Clark is residential and industrial business site siya, no? So second siya na metropolitan area outside of Metro Manila and GMA pa.
Ayun. Sige. Message to your fans and supporters.
So yun guys, please support me this coming July 20, no? Kung di man kayo makapunta, supportahan nyo na lang ako online, no? So yun, please vote me, no? Do not forget my code, Metro Clark. Maraming salamat. I'll see you all soon. God
We'll
bless.
see you soon.
Thank you.
Fernand, kamusta performance?
I think this is the much anticipated preliminary competition and I think all of us did our best. At na-exceed po yung expectation siguro ng mga madla.
Who's with you tonight dito?
To be honest, only me. Ako lang po.
Walang family?
Wala po. Maybe on the Grand Coronation Night.
So, okay ka sa performance mo. Sino sa tingin mo yung kalaban mo tonight? Sino yung mga pili mo nag-excel din?
Pili ko po sa nag-excel siguro especially yung sa resort swimmer at I'm confident to say na yung pag-ikot, yung ginawa ko po. Yes, yes. Medyo maganda po. Yan. Yun po.
So, what was your favorite segment tonight?
My favorite segment tonight is the Passion Show Resort kasi na-express po namin yung sarili namin na freeway. Inalo po kami ng org na gawin yung kung ano gusto nyo, yung design nyo din. Ginawa ko po yung naisip ko mga freestyles.
Ang galing nga eh. Nagkakaroon kanina during the live talaga.
Yes.
Na maraming natawa and natuwa sa performance mo. Where can they follow you?
You can follow me on Facebook, Fernan Luis Carino Lahom, may verified check, and Fernan Lahom on Instagram and TikTok.
And where is the finals night? Invite them to us.
So I'm inviting each and every one of you, the Filipino people, the pageantry fans of the Philippines, in the upcoming Grand Coronation Night at Mr. International Philippines this upcoming July 20, 2025 at Novotel Araneta City, Cubao. Tickets are on sale and running fast.
Vote for you.
And vote for me, Nueva Ecija po.
Where can they vote and how?
They can vote on votelabs.ph and they're still allowing to vote po. Just pick Nueva Ecija. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
My supporters, thank you po.